I'm Barack Obama. Yes, we can.
Yeah, why not?
You're right. My wife, Michelle, is just
You guys need it?
America's back. We are involved in 2 wars.
You are back?
Understand this. Let me finish my point here, Charlie.
Yo, you are back?
Republicans are going to come after me.
Nigga, hey, nigga. You
They
are
just
back?
think I'm a over-age basketball player.
Don't talk to me like I'm some fucking honky, nigga. You are back.
Kobe Bryant is the best player in the world.
Who?
I don't want to be invited to the family hunting party.
Kobe Bryant?
If you don't abide by our rules, you can't send food into Japan.
Kobe Bryant is not the best player in the world, nigga.
How are you?
Hey, nigga, there's a nigga in Cleveland.
Absolutely.
Cleveland named LeBron James. What you know about LeBron James?
Absolutely.
You don't want no LeBron James. So call out the line, nigga.
Yes, we can.
Hello?
Nigga, you ain't my bitch, nigga. Buy your own damn fries. There are white folks, and then there are ignorant motherfuckers like you. There are white folks, and then there are ignorant motherfuckers like you.
How do you know I'm white?
You ain't my bitch, nigga. Buy your own damn fries.
I ain't no nigger, I'm white.
Bitch.
I'm not no bitch either, had a dick.
Kobe Bryant is the best player in the world.
You are not the best player in the world, you are a bitch.
No. Absolutely.
Fuck that? Well, obviously you sound like a bitch. You're calling a payphone at a bar, so you're pretty much a bitch.
Republicans are going to come after me.
I mean, just because you're black does not make you the best player in the world.
Let's unify.
It happens.
We are involved in 2 wars.
I don't think you're the best player in the world. You wouldn't be calling a bar, calling me a bitch.
I just fundamentally disagree.
Awesome,
You're wrong.
good night. It's a great night. Go find some random pussy.
Let me finish my point here, Charlie.
Hello, this is Billy Bob.
Nigga, you ain't my bitch,
What's up,
nigga.
dude?
Buy your own damn
Billy
fries.
Bob. I got the baddest ass penis in the world.
Bitch.
I can't hear you, man, but you know you want me sexually.
There are white folks, and then there are ignorant motherfuckers like you.
What's up, dude?
My wife, Michelle, is just
Man,
terrific.
speak clearly, man. You muttering. I need a clear voice, man.
Kobe Bryant is the best player in the world.
What'd you say?
Republicans are going to come after me.
No, so they can say it loud. Hello?
America's back. Kobe Bryant is the best
How are
player
you?
in the
How are
world.
you tonight, Mr. Sir?
I'm here. Hello.
Republicans are going to come after me.
Yeah, what's going on? Seriously, gay?
Bitch.
We're leaving you, cunt-ass bitch. Fuck
Wait,
off,
my bitch,
motherfucker,
nigga.
before
Buy your
I
own damn
fucking
fries.
fuck your asshole so hard it hurts.
Nigga. Bitch. Nigga, you ain't my bitch, nigga.
Hello?
Buy your own damn fries. There are white
Did you say
folks,
bitch
and then there are
nipples?
ignorant motherfuckers like you. Nigga.
Your supervisor.
Hey there. Hey,
You know that guy ain't shit. Sorry ass motherfucker got nothing on me, right? Nothing.
For me to talk to, okay?
No.
Hello.
Yes. Yes, we can.
Yeah, and can I help you?
Bitch. You ain't my bitch, nigga. Buy your own damn fries.
Okay, well, can you hear class?
Hey. Hello?
Kobe Bryant is the best player in the world.
Oh, you're still online.
Nigga. Bitch. You ain't my bitch, nigga. Buy your own damn
Let
fries.
me tell you something. I feel sorry for you.
The answer would be no.
Really do. The fact that you spend your fucking weekend calling here at the fucking bar, I feel sorry for you. Because, you are a fucking loser. And, yeah, I feel sorry for you.
Shit's getting way too complicated for me.
You can swear at me all you want. You can cuss at me all you please.
Nigga,
but
bitch,
I'll tell you what, you are the fucking loser. Yeah. And the reason why I tell you that you're a fucking loser is because I am better than you are.
No. The answer would be no.
Even though you may not be able to see the fact that I'm better than you are, I can guarantee you that the life that you're fucking living right now is a life of fucking lies, and you're only living it because you're fucking trying to be that way. But I tell you what, the life that I'm fucking living right now, it's very true. And the fucking women that I'm fucking boning, they're here because they want to be here. And the only reason why you're fucking around women right now is because they may want to be boning you.
Let me finish my point here, Charlie.
But I tell you what, you're not gonna get the fucking bone from the fucking vagina because you're fucking gay. And I'm gonna hang up the phone now, and I'm gonna leave it off the hook, and you're not gonna talk to me ever again. So,
Nigga?
I'll see you later.
Motherfucker. Sure you can have my number, baby.
Hello? Hello?
That's a very interesting question.
Hello? I can't hear it. Just speak up. I can't hear you.
That's a fact. That's a fact.
Hello?
In other words,
There's a girl on the phone.
hear me loud and clear. Let me say something.
Hello?
I want you to be on my team.
Do you know?
You've got the documents.
How bad do you want me to be in your penis? See, I
I want you to let me
there is
down.
somebody here that wants to be in your penis. Hey! Hello?
I'm from Texas.
Hey, where you at? I'll come be in your penis right now.
Thank you.
What's up?
Don't mess with Texas.
Dude, I will mess with you. I will be in your penis right now. You can put it in my butthole right now.
In other words, give me the pin.
My name is Richard Richardson. You want to be on my penis?
In the White House.
I bet you want to suck it too.
And do it well.